This is a $50 bill, but what if I could turn this into $2,000 in just 15 minutes? What do you think about this challenge? Let's make it even more interesting. If I fail, I'll shave my head. How does that sound? My name is Evelyn Morgan, and I've been a professional trader for over 9 years. For me, trading isn't just numbers on a screen. It's a real tool that takes to a new level. If you follow financial news, you might have seen me on CNN or Breaking News, where I share market analysis and break down financial trends. And maybe you've also heard about my trading community, one of the fastest growing in the industry, where over 21,000 people apply my strategies every single day. Today, I'm not just taking on this challenge. I'm gonna prove that simplicity is the key to success. I'll show you how to achieve real results without complicated terminology or overloaded technical analysis. Just a strategy that even a beginner can understand. And if you still have doubts, it simply means you haven't seen the tools that can truly change your financial situation. Are you ready? Then stay focused, watch until the end, and see for yourself. Before we begin, I have a solution that can fast-track your path to financial independence. No need to spend 9 years searching, making mistakes, and experimenting like I did. You can start seeing results much faster. I created a trading community on Telegram, and today it has over 21,000 members. They're not reading theory. They're not posting motivational quotes. They're getting results. That's the only goal that brought us together. How does it work? I place live trades and members simply copy my actions. No complicated charts, no overwhelming information, just clear, actionable steps that deliver results. And it's so simple that even beginners can do it. Look at this dashboard. This is how our trading day went yesterday. What do you think? This is not for those looking for excuses. It's for those who want real change. Right now, pause this video, click the link in the description, and join our community today. Now is the perfect time to enter the market and use technology for rapid growth. The opportunity is here. The only question is, will you take it? This is your chance. You either use it or you stay exactly where you were. I'll see you in my Telegram. Let's get started. Not wasting any time, let's get straight to trading. The trade duration is set to 1 minute and the candle time frame is 30 seconds. We are starting with 30. Now let's choose our 3 key players for today. Perfect. And the main tool of the day, the Vortex indicator. While I set up, let me quickly explain how it works. Red line on top, downtrend. Green line on top, uptrend. Wide open lines, strong trend. Intervening lines, sideways market. Don't worry, it's actually really simple. I'll show you how it works in real time. Let's go. We are kicking off with an Australian and a Canadian. Looking at the chart, the red line is on top and the indicator is wide open. This signals a strong downtrend. There was a slight upward correction, but that's just a pause before the trend continues downward. The price is dropping again, confirming the trend is still in play. Going down with confidence. Great! The trade worked in our favor. Let's keep up the pace. Next up, a Canadian and a Swiss. Just in here. The price has been falling for a while, but now it's stalling. This suggests a potential reversal. At the bottom, we see 2 indecision candles, also known as doji, which often signals a trend shift. Also, our key indicator, the vortex, is narrowing and curving inward. This means a correction on reversal is coming soon. We're going up. Just as expected, we are already at 109, and we've just started. Moving on. Now let's check this pair. Adjusting settings again. Alright, we see a downtrend, but the price is moving within a channel. Plus, after a downward move, a correction is beginning. The vortex lines are starting to curve inward and narrow, indicating an upward movement is about to start. Awesome! The key is to time it right. The market always gives us signals. Let's keep going. Back to our first pair. The situation has changed. The vortex lines have flipped. Now the green line is moving upward. The trend has shifted to an uptrend, and there is still room to move toward resistance. The price is moving steadily without sharp pullbacks. Going up now. Nice. We caught the trend reversal and are moving forward with confidence. The strategy works, and this is just the beginning. Let's be honest, if you already had results, you already knew how to generate a stable income, you wouldn't be here. You wouldn't be watching this video, but you are here, which means deep down, you know you're capable of more. Do you know what separates those who succeed from those who stay stuck? A mentor. Someone who has already walked this path, knows where you might go wrong, and can show you how to avoid unnecessary losses and accelerate your growth. Here's what I'm offering. Our trading community where I personally guide people toward real results. No theory, no empty motivation, no generic advice from the internet. A clear, structured system that works. What do you get? Live trading sessions every day, personalized support for any question, exclusive market analysis not available anywhere else, a powerful community of action takers moving forward together. Just imagine, instead of endless doubts, you simply start taking action. Where could you be 1 month from now? Well, now you have the chance. One click and you are in. You either stay where you are or you sign up now and finally start moving toward real transformation. The link is in the description below this video. Time for thinking is over. Now, let's get back to it. Back to the Canadian and Swiss. We are at 359 now. Carefully analyzing the chart, price has reached a strong level where a bounce is possible. Looking left, we see a previous battle between buyers and sellers at this point. The price is slowing down, signaling a potential downward move. And here's our result. We started with just 30. No need for extra commentary. But we're not stopping here. Back to this pair, adjusting here as always. What do we see? The price has broken out of the channel to the upside. This indicates a breakout and continued movement. The vortex indicator has flipped, confirming the trend is now bullish. There is still space before the next resistance level, so we are going up. Great work! The trend is confirmed and we've locked in some solid rewards. We're back to an Australian and a Canadian, now at 1,322. Focus on the chart. Vortex lines are widely spread and the green line is on top. This signals a strong uptrend. There's also a minor correction, but the level is ready to be broken. The trend is moving up confidently with no major pullbacks, so we're following along. That's how pros trade. Not by guessing, but by reading clear indicators. Let's do a couple more trades before wrapping up. Back to the Canadian and the Swiss. Looking at the chart, we see a strong bounce of the support level. A double bottom pattern is forming. This often signals a reversal upward. The vortex indicator confirms the trend shift as well. The double bottom worked perfectly. We are at 4,796 now. Moments like this remind us how important it is to recognize key levels. All right, final trade for today. We're at a high point now. What's happening here? The price reached the 161.5 level. Strong resistance. It's starting to bounce downward. The vortex indicator lines are curving inward. Everything points to a downward move. And our final result is 8,595. What do you think? Today, I showed outstanding results, but what happens next is up to you. Just remember one thing, if you are ready, I'm already waiting for you inside the community. You just saw for yourself how the strategy works. Clear entry, clear exit, a logic-driven process that leads to success. I don't guess. I don't rely on intuition or gut feelings. Why? Because I have a proven algorithm that works. You have two choices. Watch from the sidelines or follow my lead and grow with me. You already understand that trading isn't luck. It's a clear, structured plan that you must follow consistently. If you are tired of guessing and ready to transform your approach, you need a community and a system that delivers real results. Click the link in the description, sign up for the community, and join me in tomorrow's trades. But don't wait too long. This opportunity is here right now. After that, it's all up to you. I'll see you inside our community. And remember, trading involves risks, and there are no guarantees. Education, knowledge, and proven strategies are your most valuable tools. See you soon.